Hey everyone, welcome to a virtual tour for you at Harvey's in Lake Tahoe. Let's take a look inside. To the right, first thing is the closet, perfect to hang your coats when you enter the room. Making the way to the main area, this is a king size bed, 2 lamps, a nice basic head frame. I like the wood style. And the favorite thing of all, that view from the room. Yeah, such a beautiful view, and you have a table, 2 chairs, perfect to dine and enjoy the view as you eat. And here's the overview of the room from this angle. You do have a chair and lamp, so you could do work as you stay. In case for those who take their work with them, there is an outlet to plug in your laptop. And you have your, I believe, ice bucket, and here's the refrigerator, or mini fridge, I should say. Just scoping out the room from over here. Now let's make the way to the bathroom area. So it looks like you do have an area for makeup, an area for the sink, a stand where they have your towels, hair dryer. There's a chair for those who need to fix themselves up before going out. Comes with the bar of soap, hand towels, drying your face and hands. And there's your body towels. I do like how the toilet area has its doors, so in case someone's doing their business, someone can still come in and use the sink. And you have a spare toilet paper. Then here at the very end, you do have your shampoo, body wash, lotion, body soap bar, and the coffee machine for those who need the coffee, and your shower. So this is a pretty big size restroom or bathroom. And the final look of the bedroom area. Hope you enjoy the video, subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye.